Hello guys, welcome. Today I wanna draw a scenic picture. I'm gonna draw it by pencil, as you know. I like pencil. I like drawing by pencil, and it's the one that I picked. I picked it from Google, and it's a simple one, but I'm thinking maybe I can change it up a little. I mean, when you're drawing it, when you re-drawing something, you always change something anyways. But maybe I can make it a little more complex. I might work on it a little more, but let's see. Let's start. Come. It's got some mountains and a river and a few trees as well. I might as well start from the mountains. D'accord. Mhm. Mm. So I uploaded 2 videos yesterday, and this is my third one. I uploaded my other videos yesterday. Okay, let's see how my debut of YouTubing is gonna go. How's it, guys? Okay. Okay, this thing is gonna get in the way, but and there is a waterfall around here as well, and the waterfall in the image that I picked, it's kind of crap actually. You can kind of realize that it's a waterfall, and then again at the same time it just doesn't look realistic at all. I don't know if I can change it up a little, make it look more beautiful, but let's see what happens. I actually wanted to go live, but the YouTube didn't allow me to do so. I might actually go live from Twitch or another software. This mountain is very much behind the rest of the mountains, so I have to make it look like it's behind them. about the hills? There are some hills near here, maybe behind the waterfall, but in front of the rest of the mountains, maybe. There are some trees starting from here. Actually, they're starting from the bottom of the page, so they're nearer to the viewpoint, like the viewpoint that you see. So basically they are closer. And this tree is looking ugly right now. In fact, it doesn't look like a tree at all. But we'll make it look like a tree. Okay, it's looking nice. I think so. It's kind of all over the place. But that's my style. Okay. Now we need to make the way for the water. So basically the water is gonna come from here, and we're gonna see the water up close, right? I want to make the tree very close to the water, so maybe there's gonna be some behind some roots of the tree sticking close to the lake, I mean the river. There's gonna be a few rocks here and there. More trees and more trees. As you can see though, I don't draw my pictures, my drawings carefully. Not all the time at least. Usually I just go wherever my pencil is pointing me at. Welcome, welcome. And there's gonna be some, okay, dallar, which means the parts of the trees. It's gonna come from here, and the main part of the tree is gonna climb up. Okay. If you're asking why this tree is not alive and it looks a little bit dead, because died somehow. Not near the river. You don't know why happened. Okay. Mhm. This tree looks amazingly wrong. Okay, how about we finish the rest of this tree? Okay, now I'm not gonna use my pencil for this. By the way, if you guys are wondering what I'm using right now, it looks like paper, a paper pen. And it's what it is. It's a paper pen, and you use it to mix what you draw with the things that you didn't draw. So you end up getting a blurred line, and sometimes that's the effect that you want to get. Especially things like water, so you can't always draw a straight line for the water, if you know what I mean. So what you have to do is mix the lines, blur the lines a little, and that's the effect you're going for, you know. Okay, most of the touches are over. Let's add some reed. I want to add more stones near the water as well. Okay. So the waterfall clearly doesn't look like a waterfall in the least. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. Okay, nice. By the way, guys, if you have any suggestions for my channel, and if you wanna see me draw anything that you want, anything that you like, you can always put a comment below the video and I'll get right on it. I always draw the things that I feel like drawing, so it might be a nice scene of change. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. By the way, guys, how is the quarantine going now? Right now, I'm in Turkey. I'm in my home, and I probably won't be getting out of my house for a few months, really. The schools are closed in here, and the whole country, the whole world is basically in panic as well. Mm, so, like I said, I'm stuck in my home for a few months at least. Ah, wait a second, guys. I think I'm gonna sneeze. It's past. Anyways, what was I saying? So, I'm in my home, so that's why I have a lot of free time at my hands. One of the main reasons why I wanted to become a YouTuber in this meantime is because of that as well, because I have lots of time in my hands. So, how is your quarantine going? Okay, nice, nice. Right, I forgot this tree. You guys noticed that I've drew a few different ways, that I drew those trees, because I don't have a specific way to draw one. I always change it up a little, maybe sometimes. You gotta go with the flow. Come on. So, right now I'm drawing. What I'm drawing is gonna take like half an hour basically. It's been already 20 minutes. I might do a few long ones like this one, or I might do a few short ones like I did yesterday. I think I'm gonna see how it goes. If these ones are more popular, maybe I might do the long ones. Depends on you guys, by the way. If you like my longer videos, I'll do longer ones. And I'll occasionally do short ones. I'll draw casual, random things like roses or, I don't know, trees. I was thinking of doing a lips, drawing lips. Just lips, the not the face, just lips. I actually suck at drawing faces, you know. Mm-hmm. Okay, how is it, guys? I think the waterfall doesn't look like a waterfall right now, though. Let's give a few outlines for it. Okay. How does it look, guys? Does it look like a waterfall right now? Like I said on my previous videos, it's not always nice to draw with a pencil. You just have to delete some parts to accentuate, to differentiate, and show that you mean business in there, you know? You know what? I think this part doesn't look realistic, so I'm gonna change that a little. Okay. Okay, okay. What about this tree? This tree doesn't look nice in the least. Damn. Okay, let's do a few touch-ups for this tree. By the way, I do like drawing trees like this. Not vibrant, but I like the detail of the main part of the trees. Okay, doesn't look too shabby. Mm-hmm. By the way, guys, I like drawing pictures from the Google. Like I said before, I think I mentioned it before. So, if you have something that you want me to draw, doesn't matter if you pick it from Google. I'll draw it. You can just mention it on the comments. I don't know if you can actually upload pictures from the comments though. I think you guys will figure it out. Okay, this part doesn't look nice, the left one, but until there. Okay. By the way, I'm using the rubber part of another pencil. It's kind of funny. Okay. Let's make the tree a little more fat. Around the bottom. Okay, there you go. Because if you think it's about it realistically, you can't support it otherwise. Okay? And some of the roots are gonna be going, they wanna go to the river, right? I think so. I would do so if I was the tree. By the way, I was thinking of doing a review of what you wanna call it, my paints in my room. I have a few paints, so I might upload them. I might do a review on them and upload them. I do paints of oil painting and acrylic, and if you're interested on that, I'll upload that as well. Let's see how it goes. I really don't like these trees. Are they called pineapple trees? I don't know. I don't remember them. They have prickly leaves, right? I don't like them. Mainly because I can't draw them well. Okay, okay. Let's do a few leaves or a few weeds around here. Maybe they'll look nice, maybe they won't, but I'm drawing them anyways. Let's try drawing them a lot more. I mean, if you think about it, there's gonna be leaves, there's gonna be weeds around, and bushes around the rivers, right? So I think it's natural. And you know what? Let's do a few touch-ups and add a few leaves on the tree as well, because it looks a little pale. I don't want it to look too pale, right? After all, it's living around the river, so it'll probably not look too dead. By the way, in my first video, I introduced myself as Archerite, and I did that accidentally, but also because I had an account called Archerite, and I was doing YouTube videos of gaming. So that's why I accidentally said that. My name is Hidayat, by the way, so this account is Hido. Alright. I don't like drawing leaves, as you can imagine. They don't look too nice compared to the tree. I should learn how to draw leaves as well. Alright. Let's do a few touch up on the mountains as well.